we're gonna do an unboxing, okay? I have all of these. Okay, first up. Hope you guys didn't see my address. I'm gonna have to do something about that. We have, I don't know. What is this? Ooh, I almost cut myself. It's not bleeding. What is this? I can't even remember what samples I'm getting, you know? Oh, this is, what's it called? The screen protector for my phone. Perfect. Needed that. Okay, now next one. I need better scissors. Oh, this is a health assessment for one of my dogs because he has really bad skin issues. So we wanted to see what's up with that. Next. Ooh, look at this lip balm duo. Ooh, I'm excited to use this because honestly, my lips are so bad in the fall and winter. So bad. Okay, last one. I think I know what this one is. Yep, this one I'm so excited for. It is the Gilmore Girls Advent Calendar. Yes, so there are 25 days of surprises. I really don't want to wait until December to do it. So I'm honestly probably going to start in November. Look at that. Oh, that is so awesome. I'm so excited. Bye, guys.